problems. Let's start our today's class. Progressions from paper 1. Exercise 6.3, third bit, second question. Given A is equals to 7, A13 is equals to 35, you have to find D and S13. What is given? A13. A13 is equals to A plus 12D. A13 value is 35 is equals to A is 7. ये भी given है A is 7 plus 12 into D. That implies 35 minus 7 is equals to 12D. 35 minus 7 is equals to 12D. 35 minus 7 is 28 is equals to 12D. That implies D is equals to 28 by 12. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 2 7s are 14. So we got the value of D as 7 by 3. Okay. हम ये D फाइंड कर दिए. अब क्या फाइंड करना है? We have to find S13. Sn फॉर्मूला क्या है हमारा? Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S13, wherever there is n, you are going to put 13. So 13 by 2 into again the value of a is how much? 7. 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 7 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 13 by 2 into 7 2s are 14 plus 7 4s are 28. That is 13 by 2 into 42. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are. Answer is 13 into 21. That is 273. So S13 value is 273. Now let's move to the next question. Next question, given fourth one this is, third one is similar to the second one, do it as an homework. A3 is equal to, that is third term is equals to 15, S10 is equals to 125, find D and A10. Given क्या है? Given में से आपको hint लेना है. A3 is equals to A plus 2D. A3 is 15 is equals to A plus 2D. This is your equation 1. यहाँ पे दो unknown है, we can't do anything. This is your equation 1. Next, what is given? S10 is equals to 125. First put Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of n, substitute 10 value. That is S10 is equals to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 is 9d. 2 1s are 2 5s are. S10 value is also given as 125. 125 is equals to 5 into 2a plus 9d. Multiplication इधर ला लीजिए division के. This side it comes as division. Is equals to 2a plus 9d. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. That implies 2a plus 9d is equals to 25. This is your equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Linear equation में जो हम लोग सीखे थे, solving 1 and 2. That is a plus 2d is equals to 15. 2a plus 9d is equals to 25. We have to make this coefficients equal. So we are going to multiply this with 2. So that implies 2a plus 4d is equals to 30. सबसे multiply करना, 2 1s are 2, that is 2a plus 2 2s are 4d is equals to 15 2s are 30. And 2a plus 9d is equals to 25. Okay. Change the signs. Change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. It will get cancelled. 9 Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5d is equals to 30. D is equals to 30 minus 25 is 5. Okay. So D is equals to 5 by minus 5. That implies D is equals to minus 1. We got the value of D. Now substitute in any equation to get the value of A. That is substituting D is equals to minus 1 in A plus 2D is equals to 15. Substituting D is equals to minus 1 in this equation. That is A plus 2 into minus 1 is equals to 15. A minus 2 is equals to 15. A is equals to 15 plus 2. A is equals to 17. ये भी आ गया. Now we have to find the A10. A10 is A plus 9D. A is 17 plus 9 into minus 1. 17 minus 9. 17. Therefore, D is equals to minus 1 and A10 is equals to 8. Now next question. Next question. A is equals to 2. D is equals to minus 8. So A is equals to 2. D is equals to 8. Sn is equals to 9D. Find N. What are the hints given? A is equals to 2. D is equals to 8. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn का फॉर्मूला 90 Sn की वैल्यू 90 is equals to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. 90 is equals to n by 2 into 4 plus n minus 1 into 8. See, here 4 is there, here 8 is there. We can take 4 common. So 4n by 2 is equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into 4. Okay. What we did? We have taken n common. We have taken 4 common. So once the 4 we have taken common, 4 1 जा 4. यहाँ से भी 4 common, 8 है 4 common चले गया तो यहाँ पे क्या बचा आपका 2n. What is left? 2n. 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 2n into 1 plus multiply 2 into n, 2n minus 2. So 90 is equals to 2n into 2n minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Quadratic equation, frame it up. 2 2 are 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equals to 0. Divide throughout by 2 so that it will be easy. So that is 2n square minus n minus 45 is equals to 0. Now we have to find the factors of this quadratic. 90. 10 9s are 90 and minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Is it clear? So 2n square, this factorization we are learning from 8th class. Minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. What you can take common here? 2n you can take it as common. So when you take 2n as common, n is left, n minus 5 plus what we can take common from this both? 9 we can take common, that is n minus 5. So n minus 5 again you take common, 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. So n is equals to 5 2n is equals to minus 9. That implies n is equals to minus 9 by 2. This we are going to discard. So we are going to consider only n is equals to 5. We got the value of n as 5. Now we have to find an. An formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a value is 2 plus given a is 2 and d is 8. This is given. So n is how much? 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. D. That is d की वैल्यू भी हमको आ गई 8. That is 2 plus 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So A5 is how much? 34. Now let's move to the next question. 7th question, last question of this bit. Given L is equals to 28, S is equals to 144 and there are total 9 terms. There are total 9 terms. That means N is equals to 9. It is given that there are total 9 terms. 9 terms means n is equals to 9 is given. L is nothing but last term, that is an term 28 is given. S is equals to 144. Now put the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is your formula. This is one formula. Another, the same formula we can write it as n by 2 into a plus l. L you can write it or an you can write. L is nothing but nth term. L is nothing but nth term. See, how can we write this? You take a common here. You can write 2 as a plus n minus 1 into d. ये क्या हो गया हम आपका nth term. Nth term is nothing but an or l. Okay. So the another formula is n by 2 into a plus l is equals to Sn. Here n value is given as 9. So 144 is equals to 9 by 2 into a plus l is given as 28. Okay. Cross multiply. 144 into 2 is equals to 9 into a plus 28. Get it to this side. 144 into 2 by 9 is equals to a plus 28. A plus 28. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 2 carry, that becomes 24. 3 8s are 24. Again it will go in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 1 carry, 3 6 are 18. So that is 16 into 2. 16 into 2 is equals to a plus 28. 16 2s are 32. 32 is equals to a plus 28. A is equals to 32 minus 28. So A is equals to 4. Okay. A is equals to 4. We have to find the value of A and A is equals to 4. This is all for today. 2 problems I have given it for homework. Do the homework. It is there in PDF. You can even refer the PDF. Thank you. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.